Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna talk about geology. Everything about geology, not everything, but we're gonna talk about not samples of rocks, but we're gonna talk about the crust, the mantle, the core, and we'll talk about the temperature, the pressure difference. We'll talk about all that stuff. And so let's get to it. But before I tell some cool facts, don't forget to like and subscribe so you always get notified when I upload a new video. So let's get started. So today I'm gonna tell you about geology. So a good place to start is the definition of geology. Geology is not only the study of rocks, but also the study of how they change. And geology often gives us clues about the history of Earth. So there are three main layers in our planet. So one of them is the crust. The crust is kind of what you're walking on, and the second one is the mantle, and the third and last one is the core. So okay, let's make a journey from the crust to the core, but before I tell you, let me tell you how thick the crust is. The crust is about 21 miles thick, and it's divided into two parts: the continental crust and the oceanic crust. Okay, guys, just guess who is older, the continental crust or the oceanic crust. I'll give you 5 seconds. Yeah, I'm done. It's the continental crust. The continental crust is about 2 billion years old, and the oceanic crust is about 180 million years old. So now you know how old these two crusts are. And let me tell you our journey. Our journey is from that little dot to the core. Now, as you can see, it's about 3,958 miles, and also 6,370 kilometers. This is where we're gonna go. So I'm starting digging. I'm digging, and oh, look what I found. I'm almost finished, but look, these are some metals like uranium, potassium, uranium. Yeah, I didn't spell the third one quite well, but anyways, those are a mouthful. So the oceanic crust is 180 million years old, as I told you. So you just need to know this basically if you have an upcoming test about the crust. So this is enough knowledge if you ask me. And the other thing I want to tell you is the mantle. The mantle comprises of 65% of our planet's mass. So our planet weighs about 6 octillion tons. And do the maths. I'm kind of good at math, but you guys do the math, and 65% of all that is the mantle. So the mantle is basically the second layer of our planet. Now we're gonna talk about more of the mantle. Now at the depth of 93 miles, as you can see, this is a depth where diamonds form. Now I know what you guys are thinking. So how can humans bring a depth? Yeah, I know. As I told you before, the pressure is unfathomable here, and the temperature also. It gets about 1,000 degrees Celsius here, or yes, it's really hot here. And plus, humans can't extract the diamonds from here, and diamonds are really old. Some of them are about 2 billion years old. Some of them are even older than the dinosaurs. Yes, the diamonds are super old, and plus, I hate to break it to you guys, but they're not rare as you think. Manufacturers just say they're rare. They're just playing tricks on you. That's because diamonds it's not hard to extract diamonds as it was 200 years ago. So they're not rare as you think. Yes, they're not as rare as 200 years ago. And plus, people thought they were rare. Oh my god, diamonds are so rare. They're not rare. And another thing I want to tell you is about the outer core. Here comes the outer core. The outer core, without the outer core, no magnetic field. No magnetic field, our planet gets bombarded with solar winds. So, no life. And also, a process happens which shifts the north and south pole every few 100 years. So this is gonna take a long time from now, and as you can see, it's gonna take a long time to that happen. So guys, this is all I have for today. Today we saw about the Earth's core, its mantle, crust. We saw everything that you need to know. And if you want to study for a test, I'm gonna upload more videos about the geology, and this is not the end. So I'll see you guys next time. I wish you good luck if you have a test. And another thing I want to talk to you guys is wear a mask, please. We want to slow down the pandemic, so please guys, wear masks. It's for your own health and the lives of others. See you next time. We love you guys. Bye.